In this video, we will compare two popular website builders, Framer and Webflow. Which one is the right choice for you? Let's find out. We will look at their features, prices, and who they are best for. Let's start with Framer. Framer is a modern and user-friendly website builder. It is known for its powerful design and animation tools. Think of it as a design tool and a website builder in one. You can create beautiful and interactive websites without writing any code. Framer started as a prototyping tool for designers. Now, it has become a full-fledged platform to build and publish websites. It feels a lot like using a design tool like Figma, which many designers love. This makes it very easy to learn, especially if you have some design background. But even if you are a complete beginner, Framer is simple to get started with. It has a clean and intuitive interface. You can drag and drop elements and see your changes in real time. Framer is great for creating stunning landing pages, portfolios, and marketing websites. It focuses on making your website look amazing and feel alive with animations. Framer's biggest strength is its visual editor. If you have used design tools like Figma or Sketch, you will feel right at home. You can design your website with complete freedom. Just drag elements like text, images, and buttons into the page. You can see exactly what your website will look like as you build it. This makes the design process very fast and fun. You don't need to guess how things will look after you publish. It also makes it easy to create responsive designs. This means your website will look great on phones and tablets too. Framer has smart tools that help you with this. You can focus on being creative and not on writing code. This makes it perfect for people who care a lot about design. Framer makes it incredibly easy to add animations to your website. You can make elements fade in, slide in, or move as you scroll. These effects can make your website feel much more modern and engaging. You can add these animations with just a few clicks. There is no need to learn complicated coding. You can also create interactions. For example, you can make a button change color when you hover over it. This helps guide your visitors and make your site more fun to use. These features are built right into Framer, so they work smoothly. You don't need to install extra plugins like you do with other platforms. If you want a website that really stands out with cool effects, Framer is amazing. It helps you create a very polished and professional look. Framer is an all-in-one solution for building a website. This means everything you need is included in one package. You don't have to find and pay for your own web hosting. Framer takes care of that for you. This makes getting your website online much simpler. It also means your website will be fast and secure. Framer optimizes everything to work well together. You also get a built-in content management system. This lets you easily manage content like blog posts or portfolio projects. For people who don't want to deal with the technical side of websites, this is a huge plus. You can focus on creating your website and Framer handles the rest. Framer is built for teams to work together. Multiple people can work on the same website project at the same time. This is great for design agencies or businesses with a marketing team. You can leave comments directly on the design. This makes it easy to give feedback and make changes. Everyone can see the latest version of the website in real time. There is no need to send files back and forth. This speeds up the design process a lot. It helps to make sure everyone is on the same page. If you are working with others on a website, Framer's collaboration features are a big advantage. It makes teamwork smooth and efficient. Framer has a few different pricing plans. There is a free plan that lets you try it out. You can build a website with it, but it will have Framer branding. The paid plans start at around $5 per month for a simple landing page. The most popular plans for personal or business websites are around $15 to $30 per month. These plans let you use your own custom domain name. They also give you more features and bandwidth, which is how much traffic your site can handle. For bigger teams and businesses, there are more expensive plans with more features. The price includes hosting, so you don't have that extra cost. Overall, Framer's pricing is clear and includes everything you need to get started. So, who is Framer for? Framer is perfect for designers and creative people. If you want a visually stunning portfolio, Framer is an excellent choice. It's also great for creating beautiful landing pages for new products. Small businesses that want a modern and stylish website will love it too. If you value design and ease of use over having thousands of features, Framer is for you. It's for people who want to build a beautiful website quickly without writing code. If you have used design software before, you will find Framer very easy to learn. It is a great tool for anyone who wants to create impressive websites with cool animations. Now, let's talk about Webflow. Webflow is a powerful and professional website builder. It gives you complete control over the design and development of your website. With Webflow, you can build complex and custom websites without writing code. It's like having the power of a developer in a visual interface. Webflow is known for its advanced features and flexibility. It's not as simple as some other website builders, and there is a learning curve. But once you learn it, you can build almost any kind of websites you can imagine. Webflow is used by many professional designers, agencies, and businesses. It allows you to build responsive websites that look great on all devices. You have full control over the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript of your website, but in a visual way. This makes it a very powerful tool for creating professional and scalable websites. If you want to build a truly custom website with advanced functionality, Webflow is a strong contender. Let's dive into the top features of Webflow. First is the Visual Designer. This is the heart of Webflow. It lets you build your website visually. You can drag and drop elements like text, images, and buttons into a canvas. You can then style them exactly how you want it. You can change colors, fonts, sizes, and more. This gives you pixel-perfect control over your design. For designers, this is a dream come true. You can create complex layouts and animations without writing any code. It's a very powerful tool that lets you bring your creativity into life. You can see exactly what your website will look like as you build it. Next up is the high-quality hosting. Webflow provides hosting for your website, and their hosting is very fast and reliable. This is very important for a good user experience. A slow website can make visitors leave. Webflow uses a global network of servers. This means your website will load quickly for visitors from all over the world. They also take care of security for you. You don't have to worry about updates or getting hacked. This is a big advantage if you don't want to manage the technical side of your website. It's like having a team of experts keeping your website safe and fast. Another feature is the powerful CMS. Webflow has a content management system. This lets you and your clients easily update the website's content. You can create collections of content like blog posts, team members, or projects. The editor is very user-friendly. You can edit content right on the live website. This makes it very easy for non-technical people to manage the site. You can also create custom fields for your content. This gives you a lot of flexibility in how you organize and display your content. It's a very modern and powerful CMS that is a pleasure to use. Finally, Webflow is great for e-commerce. If you want to sell products online, Webflow has you covered. It has built-in e-commerce features. You can add products, manage inventory, and take payments. You can customize the design of your online store to match your brand. It supports popular payment gateways like Stripe and PayPal. This makes it easy to start selling online. The e-commerce features are well integrated into the platform. This means you get the same design freedom for your online store as you do for the rest of your website. It's a great all-in-one solution for selling online. Now, what about the price of Webflow? Webflow has a free plan that lets you build a website and publish it on a webflow.io subdomain. This is great for learning the platform. For a custom domain, you will need a paid plan. Site plans start at around $14 per month, billed yearly. If you need the CMS, the plans start at around $23 per month. E-commerce plans are more expensive, starting at around $29 per month. These prices include hosting, so you don't have to pay for that separately. While the starting price is higher compared to others, it's an all-in-one package. You get the builder, hosting, and support in one place. Webflow is best for professional designers, freelancers, and agencies. It's for people who want to build custom and complex websites for themselves or for clients. If you have some knowledge of web design concepts like the box model, you will have an easier time with Webflow. It's also great for businesses that need a powerful and scalable website. If you need a flexible CMS for a blog or a content-heavy website, Webflow is an excellent choice. It's for those who want full control over the design and functionality of their website. If you are willing to invest some time in learning the platform, Webflow can be an incredibly powerful tool. So, which one should you choose? If you want a beautiful and easy to use website builder with great animations, Framer is for you. If you need a powerful and flexible platform to build custom and complex websites, Webflow is the winner. Both are amazing tools, so the best choice depends on your needs and skills. I hope this video helped you decide. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.